Having back pain, doing some research, and not sure where it's coming from? Well, let's talk about 3 places where your back pain might be coming from that you weren't even aware of. First off, it's your abs. Because if your abs are so tight and they're pulling you forward, then it's going to round your back and it's going to cause all those lower back muscles to be overstretched. And if they're in a constant state of overstretch, they're going to want to contract, which is going to cause pain. Now you need to just strengthen out your back muscles so that way you stand up a little bit straighter, forcing your abs to stretch out a little bit more. Now another place it could be coming from is your chest. If your pecs are too powerful and the muscles in your back are not powerful enough, again, it's going to pull your shoulders forward and it's going to cause back pain from being overstretched. So what you need to do, strengthen muscles like your rhomboids, do some external rotation as well, open up your chest so that way your upper back muscles can be in a normal resting position. And that's a problem that office workers have. And speaking of office workers, another place that you could be having that pain from is from your neck. Because if your neck's coming too far forward, it's pulling the muscles of your head, causing headaches, and it's pulling on your upper back. So what you need to do, get a neck massage, strengthen your neck extensor muscles, and that's going to help put your body in a better position. Take care of your front to balance out your back when you're having back pain, and that's how you avoid back pain.